Newtler is a personalized news aggregation platform with an AI butler that organizes and summarizes content from multiple sources, including news, blogs, podcasts, newsletters, and YouTube in one unified feed. If this is your first time here, my name is JI, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your everyday lives. So we're going to dive right into this here. I'm going to go and add my first feed, and let's just keep it simple and stick to the topic of AI. Okay, cool. So we've got top 10 AI tools that will transform your content creation in 2025. Let's go with this. And as you can see, this article is opened up here. And let's see what else we get. So we've got different news sources, and we can actually see the time they've been released, which is pretty cool. I think this is probably going to be most useful for breaking news, right? And of course, this is the AI space we're talking about, so there's pretty much always breaking news, like at least every week, usually every day. And if you're really tapped in, then yeah, more or less every few hours there's something new coming out. So this seems like quite a useful platform. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to follow this creator called Crunch Hype, and I will also follow Failery as well. And let's see what my feed is looking like now. Okay, cool. So I can see all of their posts essentially are now here on my feed. I can select a specific creator. I can look on my plate, which I guess is a sort of AI brief you can create. So let's say you open up Newtler and you see, okay, there are a few things here on my feed, and there are a couple things I actually want to make sure I don't miss. So I'm going to add shake your phone, earn Bitcoin to my plate. I'm going to add make memes, not ads to my plate. $500 for one color, I'll add that to my plate. Automated YouTube marketing, that sounds useful. And the rise of mini tools, I'll add that to my plate as well. So, and then whenever I go here to the plate tab, I can see, okay, cool, these are the things I've added to my plate, and then I can visit the website that's basically got the article, blog post, or YouTube video about this particular topic. So yeah, I think this is a really great way to aggregate a few bits of news if you're looking for something specific. As you can see here, you can enter a keyword or an RSS link, which I think is pretty useful. You can also go into particular topics like tech and future. For example, I'm gonna follow Hacker News, and let's go into Ars Technica as well. So these will then show up on my feed, and then from my feed I can add them to my plate, which will be the list of things that I actually want to see off of my feed. But yeah, this looks really cool, and it's definitely worth giving it a go. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.